Landlord and Tenant Board hearings are held at board offices and other locations throughout Ontario. Hearings are held to resolve applications that landlords or tenants may have made to the board. Your hearing and the order that is issued by the board is the last stage of the Landlord and Tenant Board application process. If you are the person who filed the application, you are the applicant. If you are the other person named in the application, you are the respondent. The applicant and the respondent are called parties to the application. A board member is similar to a judge in a court of law. They are in charge of the hearing and will make decisions about your application. When you file an application with the board, a hearing is usually scheduled. The board will make 2 application packages, each containing a copy of your application and a copy of the notice of hearing. The information in the package tells the respondent why you made the application, what you want the board to do, and other details such as the date, time, and location of the hearing. One copy is for you, the second copy for the respondent. You must give the application package to the respondent before the hearing. This is called serving the other party. Before the hearing date, you should be fully prepared with any supporting documents, witnesses, or evidence you would like to present at the hearing. You should also make 2 additional copies of your documents and photographs, one for the other party and one for the member. It is important that you attend your hearing. You should make note of the hearing date, time, and location on the notice of hearing, and make sure you arrive at least 30 minutes before the scheduled start time. If you are the applicant and do not attend the hearing, your application may be dismissed. If you are the respondent and do not attend the hearing, the member will make a decision without you. The decision may be based only on the evidence of the applicant. If you or your representative cannot come to the hearing, you should contact the board as soon as you can to find out what your options are and make necessary arrangements. If you think you need help from a lawyer or paralegal, you should start looking for one as soon as possible so that you are ready for the date of your hearing. You may also bring a friend, relative, or support worker to your hearing to help you. You may ask for other types of assistance that you need for your hearing. Requests may be made ahead of time to the Landlord and Tenant Board to provide a sign language interpreter and/or a French language interpreter. Refer to the board's website for details. If you need accommodation to participate in the hearing, you should notify the board ahead of time so the board can work with you to accommodate your needs. To be prepared for your hearing, you should make sure you know your rights and responsibilities under the law. Before your hearing date, you should also gather all your evidence, arrange for any witnesses you may need, and obtain any other help you think you might need at your hearing.